Stop scrolling, because that Wyoming 2007 quarter you tossed in a drawer could be hiding a payday bigger than a luxury car. I'm serious. Some collectors are paying amounts that blow past yearly salaries, even the price of a small home. And if you've got the right one, your life could change before this video even ends. So look closely, because you might be holding a fortune without even knowing it. You're holding a simple Wyoming State Quarter from 2007. Just a regular coin you've probably seen 100 times. But in the next few seconds, you're about to find out why one single mistake on this exact coin turned an ordinary person's pocket change into a jaw-dropping $4,750 cash payout. And yes, that number is real enough to make your heart skip. Welcome back, treasure hunters. I'm Eva, and what I'm about to reveal is the kind of truth that slams into you like a financial lightning bolt, because every time somebody overlooks these tiny details, they're walking right past life-changing value hiding in plain sight. And this time, the trail leads straight into the wild, open frontier of the 2007 Wyoming Quarter, a coin with a story so sharp and so unexpected that if you blink, you'll miss your next big opportunity. Now hold that thought, because the Wyoming Quarter isn't valuable because it's old. It's valuable because something went wrong. Something the U.S. Mint never meant to happen. Picture the iconic bucking horse and rider design, crisp, bold, and unmistakably Western. But on a rare batch of these coins, the strike pressure malfunctioned for just a fraction of a second. That microscopic glitch created a ghost-like doubling inside the horse's legs and reins, so faint you wouldn't notice it unless you tilt the coin under bright light. But collectors? They went absolutely wild. One lucky finder dropped theirs at auction, expecting maybe a few $100. But when the bidding exploded past $1,200, then $1,900, then $3,000, the entire room froze as the final hammer locked in at $4,750, all for a coin someone else would have spent on a soda. And here's where the shock hits even harder. That's not the only version of this mistake. Another Wyoming quarter turned up with a misaligned die, pushing the entire horse design dangerously close to the rim. It looked wrong at first glance, almost like the rider was sliding off the edge. A flaw like that shouldn't exist, yet it did. And the moment graders confirmed it as a genuine mint error in high MS condition, a private collector fired off an offer of $2,300 cash before the coin even made it to open bidding. That's what happens when rarity meets demand. The market erupts. But the real twist? There's an ultra-rare third anomaly almost nobody talks about, a Wyoming quarter, with a shattered die crack slicing from the rider's hat straight into the word equality. It's jagged, dramatic, and looks like lightning frozen inside the metal. The first one ever certified pulled $985. The next hit $1,450. And experts now whisper that a perfectly preserved MS-67 example could stretch beyond $3,000 if it ever surfaces. So don't move, don't blink, and definitely don't spend your change without checking it, because this tiny coin proves one thing. The next big money jolt could be sitting in your pocket right now. If you want more real, raw, high-value breakthroughs just like this, hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and come with me, because your next treasure might appear in the very next video.